Welcome to the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes. This is a channel where we try out recipes from different cookbooks, and today, guys, we are going all the way to Italy. No, the cookbook is not from Italy, but this particular recipe from this book is an Italian delight and is an Italian recipe. It's a cookie recipe, and guys, it is called Baci di Dama. Ushaisikia hizo? Let me show you. There. Do you see that picture, guys? That is what we'll try and make today. Baci di Dama. If I have murdered the if I've murdered the pronunciation and it is so wrong, I'm sorry in advance. Very, very sorry. But we have to try it out. Whether we pronounce it correctly or not, we are here to try it out. So, that's it. It has very few ingredients, and it has the cooking time is very short. We just need to bake them for 12 minutes until they just start turning light brown. So let's see what we are working with. We're working with how many ingredients? Very few ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, only 7 ingredients. So let me show you what we are working with today, and then we begin. But first, we are going to preheat the oven. So let's start with that. We're supposed to preheat it for what? 160 degrees. Guys, don't forget, you need to get the book to get the exact measurements for this particular recipe. I usually don't tell you the exact measurements for this recipe because the books are not mine. So mine is to show you what the books have inside, to try out the recipe for you and encourage you to get these books. So let's begin. So we said they're called what? Baci di Dama. Telling you, we're learning new things every day. So I have some hazelnuts. I've already toasted them in a frying pan, and the skins are off. I have some salt over here. I have some xanthan gum and monk fruit, of course. Monk fruit sweetener. I have some gluten-free flour blend. I have some dark chocolate. Like I told you guys, it's only a few. There's supposed to be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, only 7. So let's begin. And guys, you'll need a food processor for this because of the hazelnuts. So we're supposed to blitz the hazelnuts for around 30 to 60 seconds or until they are fine. I had forgotten the lid, but my lid fell down and it broke. So over here it's broken. I have to cover it, so don't worry. Don't worry why my hand is on top. That's the reason why. So here we are. Then the next thing we are going to add is the book uses caster sugar. I'm using monk fruit sweetener, and then we process it again. After the sweetener, we are going to add the butter, and then we process until smooth and creamy. Here we go again. So tempted to this because it is that I want. So the next thing we are going to add is the gluten-free flour blend, the xanthan gum, and the salt, and the sube. That's the xanthan gum and the salt. And of course, our gluten-free flour blend. Guys, you need to buy this book. Now, this is a combination of 3 flours. Is it flour or flour? Are you a flour or a flour kind of a person? Now we are done with the food processor. Here's our working surface. Let's remove it first. So you're supposed to knead it a bit to bring it into a bowl. The bowl is already boiling. It's not even a lot of work. Baci di Dama. See, guys, the bowl is already boiling. The dough is no stress, no stress. It's already a bowl. So we go to the last. This is the final step, then we bake. Yes, final step, then we bake. So the next step, guys, is making small balls. The book says they're supposed to be 6 grams each. So you will need around 72 to make 36 complete Baci di Dama. So let's get working. Let me get do I need to measure? Yeah, let me just measure 6 grams each. Why not? Why not? Let's do that so that we can see if you're going to get 72. Because out of the 72, we'll make 36 complete ones. So here we are. So here's my scale. I put it on. The mode is weight. Then we put 0. So once we put 0, we begin. Ni kuanza sasa. Whoa, that's 19. Bruh. That's 12. That's 6. Wow, guys, this is the size of a 6 gram. So, see you when I'll be done in a few minutes. That's 6, the first 6. So here we are, guys, after a long time. Mine are exactly 72 because I've arranged them in 5. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then over here I have how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's total 72, just like the book says. Guys, so I'm going to bake these ones first, then I put these ones in another baking tray, and then I'll put them in once these ones are done. We're going to bake them for only 12 minutes. We are back, guys. As you can see, our Baci di Dama or ladies' kisses are ready, and so it's the final step. So the final step is putting them together so that they can be like this. This is where we are headed, guys. So let's continue. So for this final step, I'm using some chocolate. So I'll put a little bit on top. So let me mix it first. a little bit on top like that, and then we get the other one. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Then we put it on the plate like that. Finally, guys, we are here. So taste. Oh, so taste. I'm the one to taste. So let's taste our Baci di Dama. We see if we nailed it or we didn't nail it. But so far, so good. Yeah, the work. But in terms of the shape, we aced getting 72. And the book says they're supposed to be. So let's mark for ourselves. We've aced getting 72 pieces. That means 36 complete Baci di Damas when they are combined. That one we've aced. We also aced the 6 grams. Of course, if you got 72, you also had to make sure that they are 6 grams. But the shape, the look, it looks like nothing in the book. I won't lie to myself, but guys, it's not even coming close to what the book shows. But this is the first time we are trying it out, and we are encouraged with what we have, so we won't be discouraged. So I'm going to taste so that I can tell. I'm going to taste so that we can see what we made. So the only thing that didn't come out well is just the shape. They don't look as good as what the book has, but so far so good. So the final thing is tasting. It tastes really nice. I thought they would be so sweet, but they're not. They're not extremely sweet. They're just the nice balance of sweetness. The chocolate is helping. The Baci di Dama is Baci di Dama in short. So guys, what we can say is our recipe has been baked to perfection. Try out this particular recipe and enjoy it. And have fun. Have fun. The only thing that has discouraged me is just the way they don't look nice. But everything else is okay. But of course the stomach is not there for looks, because by the time it gets here, we've already chewed it. So there's no issue of looks inside here. Nada. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.